Hello, this is Idaho.Mtn.Rider here. We're going on our spring oil change ride. What I like to do is go out, get the motor and tranny all warmed up, all the old oil stirred up with all the impurities in it, so when it's good and warm, they'll all drain out the bottom. Other maintenance I like to do in the springtime is just make sure that the chain's in good shape, sprockets are in good shape. I changed all those last fall just before the riding season ends, so that'll be good. I always put good O-ring chains on my bikes, and I don't skip on the money. I buy good quality top-end chains. If you buy a good chain, not only will it last longer, but it'll make your sprockets last longer. So it's always good not to skip on your sprockets, or you'll end up spending more money and you might end up stranded with a broken chain. Another thing I like to do is check the tires over real good, make sure the tire pressures are all good. Brakes. Just a good basic once-over is about all you really need to do with when you're bringing her out of mothballs for the winter. So just like I say, just a good basic once-over. Check your air filters too. I clean mine about once a month during the riding season, so and I cleaned it just before I parked it, so it still should be good. But one thing you do need to look out for with the air filters is they will deteriorate over time and the foam will go bad on you. When I bought this bike 4 years ago, the air filter was just in pieces in the air box pretty much. It didn't look like the guy had rode it that way. There wasn't any dirt in the intake boot or anything, but that's another thing you got to look out for. Just make sure your air filters are in good shape. They're cheap. They don't cost a lot of money, especially with these KLRs. There's a million different aftermarket companies making stuff for these bikes, so the parts are pretty reasonable. So make sure all your controls feel good. Nothing feels weird from having it parked all winter. So I'll invite you along on the rest of the ride here, and hope you enjoy what scenery I can bring you on our little warm-up ride. Just sitting around idling in the garage, you really don't get all the parts moving in the transmission to get them all warmed up. So it's best to go for a short ride. Make sure you get everything up to operating temperature before you drain it. Good to see the snow's all melted off the fields here. It's a sure sign of spring. That means good riding seasons ahead. Good to see some people out playing in the yards today. It's been a long, cold winter. Looks like we still got a lot of snow up in the foothills. It might be another month or so before we can actually get up in there and do any riding. Maybe longer. That thing about the snow, and it might be all gone where you can see it, but it sure does make everything really muddy and hard to get through sometimes. For months after it's gone. So I'm hoping to bring you some trail rides later on. Maybe we'll try to get up and see how bad the snow really is before too long. Looks like the river level's starting to come up a little bit. They're anticipating a lot of water coming into all the reservoirs around here, so they're starting to let some out to make room for it. I'm gonna take you to an area here. It's called the Green Belt. What they've done is they've built a park that runs along the Snake River. It's pretty neat. This place will be jam full of tourists come summer when they have a stopover here before they go to Yellowstone National Park. It's pretty neat seeing all the different nationalities down here, and it's kind of different. I don't think they're really used to being able to walk around and do different things where they're from. Maybe, I don't know, but you'll see them walking from the hotels around here over to Walmart and all over the place. Actually, here we got a couple thrill seekers up here on this bridge, hoping they don't fall in. Probably we'll cruise by them here and see what's up with them. You never know what you're going to see when you're out riding around. Looks like we got a lot of people out here today checking out the falls, going for a walk, enjoying this nice spring day. Looks like we've got a couple people fishing down here too. This really is a nice place to come down, go for a walk on an early morning, watch the sun come up, enjoy the peace and quiet. Usually not too many people down here then. Pretty cool, pretty nice area. I'm lucky to be living here. Everybody's generally pretty nice, and just like to get outside and enjoy things. That's one good thing about living here in Idaho. There's a lot outside to be enjoyed. The only bad thing about living here is your riding season's quite a bit shorter than where I'm from, so, but it's still nice to get out and see some different things around here. From here we'll head on up to another park here along the river. It's a nice area. It's got a lot of picnic grounds, frisbee golf, things like that. Another nice place just to come kick back underneath the trees. We'll see how many people are up enjoying this park today. It's a spring day, but it's still only about 45 degrees right now. The sun's out, so it feels pretty good. Looks like we got a few people out walking the dogs. No leaves are on the trees yet. Here in another month or so, they'll start to come out. The grass will turn green. This place will just be beautiful. It's nice to come up here and just sit back along the river and watch the water flow by. Not too busy today, really. I was kind of expecting more people out here today. Looks like most of them are down along the green belt. A lot of people out walking dogs today, though. It's a cute little pup there. Well, probably got her heated up good enough to go drain the oil out of this thing, so we'll head on back and get that done. And maybe go on another ride this afternoon. We'll see. See how many projects I still got left to do today when I get home. Well, this is Idaho.Mtn.Rider signing off. Hope you enjoyed my blog today. If you did, please come back and like and subscribe and share it with your friends. I'll have some more videos coming up, some more camping videos and things like that this summer. I definitely invite you to come back and check those out. We'll have some beautiful areas that we'll explore this year, both paved and unpaved. So please come back and we'll have some more content for you soon. Thank you.